30 days from now, you could be a completely different person. Same body, same life, but a totally different mind. Or you could be exactly where you are right now. The difference? It's not talent. It's not money. It's not luck. It's one thing, and most people never bother to do it. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Your brain is not your friend. Not by default. Your brain loves comfort. It loves routine. It loves doing the same thing it did yesterday because that feels safe. Scientists call this the neural pathway. Every habit you have, good or bad, is basically a road carved into your brain. The bad habits, they have a 6-lane highway. The good habits, they have a tiny dirt path. And every single day, your brain picks the highway. That's why you keep checking your phone instead of working. That's why you keep skipping the gym. That's why you keep saying, "I'll start tomorrow." You're not weak. You're just driving on the wrong road. Rewiring your mind means one simple thing: building new roads and starving the old ones. Neuroscientists call this neuroplasticity. Big word, simple idea. Your brain can change at any age, at any point in your life. But here's the catch. It doesn't change by thinking about it. It changes by doing. Every time you do something new and hard, your brain lays down a tiny new wire. Do it again, the wire gets thicker. Do it for 30 days, you have a brand new highway. That's the game. That's the whole secret. So here's exactly how to rewire your mind in 30 days. There are 3 phases. Each one builds on the last. The first 10 days are the hardest. This is where most people quit. And that's exactly why you won't. Your only job in phase 1. Interrupt the pattern. Every time you feel the urge to do the old habit, pause. Take 3 deep breaths. Then do the opposite. Phone addiction. Put it in another room. Lazy mornings? Set your alarm 30 minutes earlier. No snooze. Negative thoughts? Write them down, then write a counter-statement. You're not building the new road yet. You're just blocking the old one. Phase 2 is where the magic starts. Now you're not just stopping bad habits. You're becoming someone new. Pick one identity statement and repeat it every morning. Not a goal. An identity. Don't say, "I want to be disciplined." Say, "I am someone who does what needs to be done." Don't say, "I want to read more." Say, "I am a reader." Your brain believes what you repeatedly tell it. Words become beliefs. Beliefs become actions. Actions become your life. Also, in phase 2, stack your new habits. After I brush my teeth, I read for 10 minutes. After I wake up, I drink water and move my body for 5 minutes. Small, simple, consistent. By day 21, something shifts. The new behavior starts to feel natural. Not easy, but natural. This is the phase where you protect the streak at all costs. Because momentum is everything. In phase 3, your job is to raise the standard. Add 5 more minutes to your morning routine. Go slightly harder at the gym. Read 1 more page. Not a massive jump, just 1% more. Every single day. By day 30, you won't recognize yourself. Now let me warn you about the one thing that destroys this entire process. Impatience. Around day 5 or day 12, your brain will say, "This isn't working. I don't see any results. What's the point?" That voice is a liar. The results are happening inside your brain even when you can't see them. The wire is being built. The road is being paved. You just can't feel it yet. Every master was once a beginner who refused to quit in the dark. Trust the process. Do the work. The results will come. 30 days. That's all it takes to start becoming who you were meant to be. Not perfect. Not overnight, but different. better, stronger. The question is, will you start today? Or will you wait for the right time? There is no right time. There is only now. If this helped you, subscribe because we drop videos like this every week. And share this with one person who needs to hear it. See you in the next one.